Afternoon, everybody. Didn't expect to be on again this quickly, but I want to draw your attention to something near Altamont Springs that caught my eye when I was looking at the radar, and it's rotation. Whether or not it's strong enough rotation to issue a severe thunderstorm or a tornado warning, it's definitely rotation. Just wanted to kind of give you that first heads up that something is there. And it looks like it's been there for a couple of scans now. Let me put it. Yeah, it's definitely been a couple of scans. Kind of over Altamont Springs now. Not particularly strong rotation, but it's definitely rotation nonetheless. And it's still there. So I don't know. I want to see. Just kind of wanted to hop on, and in case they did decide to warn us, give you that first heads up. I want to look at a different radar source to see. I want to switch to the site at Orlando International Airport to see if something is there. Because Orlando International is going to be closer to it. Not really. Not really. I'm not really seeing it on Orlando International radar as much as I'm seeing it on Melbourne. And the thing I'll say about the Orlando one is while it is weaker weather radar, it is closer to what's going on. So I'm starting to think that it was more just ground cloud that was getting picked up on radar. Let me see if I can pull up the other. Yeah, it's not there at all on the Orlando International Airport radar. So I don't think there is going to be a tornado warning, actually. Let's see if we can switch back. Really quick, though. Nonetheless, while I'm on here, we might as well go over what is moving through. So there's a look at our radar. Strong storms, nonetheless, moving through Altamont Springs at the moment. But while it looks maybe deceiving there doesn't appear to be a ton of rotation. I want to look at rotation tracker really quick. Yeah, nothing there. So while looks are deceiving, take a look at storm relative. Yeah, I mean, it's hard to tell for certain, and I think the National Weather Service is doing the right thing by not issuing this warning. But nonetheless, strong storms moving through Central Florida. So let's see. Yeah, it's not crazy strong, but it is kind of a populated area. So I'm surprised they haven't said anything about it. But I'm starting to think that it's just kind of clutter that has been. It's not. Yeah, if there was something there, it's definitely gotten weaker scan by scan. So it looks to me like it's, especially using the Orlando International Airport radar, that it's more just let me see if I can change this on the fly really quick. That's why it looks so messed up. Okay. see if we can get this back. It looks like our airport radar gave up on us, huh? Try a different site. Yeah. I still have it on my phone though, so we can take a look at it there. Or actually, we can take a look at it on a different source. We can take a look at it on here at the Orlando International Airport radar. So that's Tampa radar. So when we're issuing warnings, you always want to look at multiple radars. So there's the rain on the... Yeah, so if you look at this, it was up near Altamont Springs, there's not really any rotation being picked up there. So, well, it looked like on first glance that it might be, once you kind of do a little bit more of investigative work and you look at different radar sites, especially, you know, while it's not crazy, it is definitely there. Alright? So, no rotation is very, very weak. No need for a warning. And taking a look at overall rain, definitely strong storms moving through Central Florida. None of them at the moment have a severe thunderstorm or tornado warning. There is a tornado warning in Tampa Bay market. Let's take a look at this real quick. East of Arcadia. I believe this is a pretty rural area down here. Let's take a look at the velocity. Definitely stronger rotation there than what we saw with that storm moving through Altamont. But nonetheless, these storms can produce a quick spin-up tornado or two. So, in all these storms are strong, a lot of thunder and lightning. So, definitely, you know, get off the roads if you can and just kind of hang out inside until these storms pass through. And once these storms pass through, you know, notice that, like, for the most part west of this line here, it's dry, except for a couple storms. So just give it a little more time, and these storms will push on, and we will see if anything else turns severe in the Central Florida